Hello everyone. In this session, we will discuss the basics of nutrition. So the energy content of food is in carbohydrates, it's 4 kilocalories per gram. In protein, it's 4 kilocalories per gram. And fats, 9 kilocalories per gram. And alcohol is 7 kilocalories per gram. In 24 hours, the total kilocalories expended by these processes is called the total energy expenditure. Now we will see the definition of resting metabolic rate. So the energy expenditure by an individual in resting post-absorptive state is the resting metabolic rate. It's determined by measuring the oxygen consumed or carbon dioxide produced. It's around 10% of the total energy expenditure, and the basal metabolic rate is around 10% higher than the resting metabolic rate. Now we will see the thermic effect or the specific dynamic action. The production of heat by the body during the digestion and absorption of food, it is around 5 to 10% of the total energy expenditure. Then the SDA, that is a specific dynamic action, it depends on the food types in the diet. For carbohydrates, it is 5 to 10% of the energy consumed. For proteins, it is 20 to 35% of the energy is consumed. And fats, 0 to 5% of energy is consumed. So SDA, that is a thermic effect of food, is maximum for proteins, then carbohydrates, and then fats. So you will see the respiratory quotient. The respiratory quotient is defined as the ratio of carbon dioxide produced to the oxygen consumed per unit time by an organism. That is, respiratory quotient is carbon dioxide produced by oxygen consumed. So the oxygen uptake during the respiration can be measured using a respirometer. For carbohydrates by aerobic oxidation, the RQ of carbohydrates is, we know that glucose combines with 6 molecules of oxygen, producing 6 molecules of carbon dioxide and water. So RQ of carbohydrates is 6 CO2 by 6 O2, that is 1. So maximum respiratory quotient is for carbohydrates, which is 1. For anaerobic oxidation, it does not involve oxygen consumption, so the respiratory quotient is infinity, because respiratory quotient is carbon dioxide liberated by oxygen consumed. So oxygen consumed is 0, so RQ is infinity for anaerobic oxidation. Now we will see the RQ of various metabolic fuels. For carbohydrates, it is 1. For proteins, it is 0.81. For fats, it is 0.71. And for alcohol, it is 0.66. So the organ with maximum respiratory quotient is the organs which exclusively use glucose as metabolic fuel, and that is brain. So in brain, RQ is 1 because it uses glucose exclusively as its metabolic fuel. In RBC, even though it solely depends on glucose, RQ is infinity because the oxygen consumed is 0. In RBCs, do not utilize oxygen, so RQ is infinity. Now the question, the respiratory quotient 0.7 is seen in. What is the answer? It is fat. Okay, so 0.7 respiratory quotient is seen in fats. And for proteins it's 0.8, for carbohydrates it's 1, and for alcohol it is 0.66. Now the respiratory quotient after exclusive carbohydrate meal is, the answer is yes, 1. Now the respiratory quotient of mixed diet is, for mixed diet, it will be around 0.85. Okay. The specific dynamic action of which of the following nutrients is maximum? Which of the nutrients is maximum? It is for proteins. Okay, answer is D, proteins. Which of the following is having maximum thermic effect of food? The maximum thermic effect or the maximum SDA is for proteins.